Karma Guy here. If you're looking for a ride that's clean, reliable, and packed with value, let me introduce you to this 2014 Volkswagen Jetta SportWagen 2.0 LTDI. This Jetta comes with a clean Carfax and low miles considering its age, a rare find. It's been meticulously cared for, with a dealer service history that includes 27 records. This isn't just any used car, this is a car that's been pampered and ready for the road. And let's talk about recent service. Over $2,395 worth of maintenance and repairs have been done, including things like a fresh oil change, fuel filter, air filter, rear brake pads, and even work on the engine and powertrain computer module. It's all been taken care of for you. You can have total peace of mind knowing this Jetta has been dealer certified and comes with a Quality Plus warranty. That's a 3-month, 3,000-mile warranty, so you're covered from the get-go. But it doesn't stop there. When you purchase this Jetta, you'll also have the option to grab a 5-year maintenance plan at a discounted price. No, that's added value. We know buying a car is a big decision, and we're here to make sure you feel confident in your purchase. That's why we offer this dealer-certified pre-owned vehicle with a warranty and a 5-year service plan. And don't forget, you can even upgrade your CPO warranty at the time of sale at a discounted rate. And we've done all the hard work for you. This Jetta has been through a full pre-delivery inspection and is in tip-top shape. No surprises, just a dependable, well-maintained vehicle ready to take you anywhere. Remember, any price reductions or discounts will void the CPO warranty and the 5-year service plan, so make sure you get the full benefit of this incredible deal. As the saying goes, the bitterness of poor quality remains long after the sweetness of low price is forgotten. Choose quality. Choose peace of mind. Choose the 2014 Volkswagen Jetta SportWagen.